Hello everyone, my name is Singh. So last year I've completed my graduation in business administration. So even after doing my graduation, I feel like it is not easy for me to get a job. So from there I decided that I should gain some skill so that I can get a very good job. So I searched on internet about latest trends in jobs. So I found digital marketing was on the boom, and from there I searched on internet about the topmost institutes in Amritsar. So I found Dforce on the top. I called them. I got all the details for the course, and there I booked a demo class here. My experience was very well in demo class, so I immediately joined the course, and now I've completed my whole course, and I'm very confident that I can get a very good job. So I would really recommend everyone who want to learn Digital Academy, they can join Dforce and have a very great future. Thank you.